In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change objects in an image using Canva AI. Whether you're looking to refresh an image for a presentation or simply experimenting with design tools, Canva makes it easy and fun. So let's dive into this simple yet powerful process. To get started, you'll first want to open Canva. If you haven't already, Canva is accessible through your web browser or their app, so take a moment to log in if you're not already there. Now that you're on the home page, the next step is to open a new design. Depending on what you're planning to create, you might choose a specific template size or a custom dimension. Whichever option you pick, this will be your canvas to work with. Once your canvas is ready, it's time to upload your photo. If you have a specific image in mind, simply click the upload option and select it from your device. Alternatively, Canva offers a vast library of images that you can explore. After selecting your image, drop it onto the canvas. It's time to start editing. Click directly on the image to select it. This simple action sets Canva up to apply your modifications. Now, turn your attention to the top toolbar. You'll find an Edit button there. Click on it and look for Magic Edit. Magic Edit is an AI-powered feature in Canva designed to make object replacement straightforward and efficient. With Magic Edit selected, highlight the object in your image that you'd like to change. You can do this by dragging your cursor over the targeted area. Be thorough when highlighting, since this step lets Canva's AI know precisely what you wish to modify. Once you're happy with the selection, go ahead and click Continue. Now it's time to get creative and describe what you'd like to see instead of the highlighted object. This could be anything from a different style or color to a completely new object. Use clear and concise language to guide the AI, as your description will directly influence the generated results. Magic Edit will then present you with a few versions to choose from based on your description. Take your time reviewing these options and select the one that best suits your artistic vision. After choosing your favorite version, the final step is crucial to preserve your work. Navigate to the Share button, and from the drop-down menu, make sure to download your newly edited image as a PNG. This ensures high quality and compatibility with most platforms, and there you have it. You've successfully altered an image using Canva AI's Magic Edit feature. With these tools at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless, so feel free to experiment and create designs that truly reflect your style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore other Canva features for even more creative inspiration.